Welcome to Lasea class. I am your teacher, John Lasea. Today I will show you my simple project, Real-Time Clock. DIY or do-it-yourself microcontroller project is one of my hobbies that I can apply my knowledge of computer programming. Let me pinpoint the materials. First, we have the real-time clock. Next, we have the microcontroller, Arduino Uno. Next, we have the 16x2 liquid crystal display. A couple of wires, a 5 volts power bank, and let us turn it on to test. As you could see, it displays the current date and current time. The real-time clock has a battery, 3 volts battery, that maintains the current date and time. Next, let us proceed here. The next, we have a real-time clock project, but this time the microcontroller is Raspberry Pi version 3 Model B. Let me pinpoint the materials of this project. We have here the real-time clock, the 16x2 liquid crystal display. We have the Raspberry Pi version 3 Model B microcontroller. We have a breadboard with wires. I place a push button that when I push it, later on it will shut down the Raspberry Pi operating system. There is a LED here to indicate the shutdown. A couple of resistors. We have here a speaker and then a 5 volt power bank. Let me turn it on.
Real-Time Clock by John Lasea. Press Ctrl-C to quit.
As you heard, it says something about the project. Let us look at the LCD screen. As you could see, it displays the current date and time. Let us shut down this Raspberry Pi by pressing the push button here.
Shutdown initiated. Goodbye.
That ends our simple project for today. I hope you have inspired in my class. Thank you for watching. God bless us.